Right, good day everyone, it's Grizz. We're out on the KTM again, and today I want to talk to you about the KTM and what to do next. Right, basically I bought this bike, 5 months ago nearly, and I bought it with the intention of using it as a winter bike, and at the end of the winter selling it and buying another bike. Now, as it is, my insurance runs out. Let's get riding. My insurance actually runs out on this bike in a little over a month. Now, I've not long done all this work to the bike. It's had a full service, sorted out the overheating issues. I've got to fix the front indicators, but I think I've just pulled a wire off, basically putting the headlight back on. New stickers, new petrol tank painted up. Yeah, lots of new bits and pieces, and it's kind of a lovely bike really now. So what next? What comes next? What should Grizz do next? Should he sell this one? Should he keep it? I was actually playing with the idea of keeping it, but as always, Grizz gets itchy toes, itchy feet, itchy everything actually, but got a cream for that. Yeah, so I'm considering selling it. I'm not sure what to buy next. Steady Eddie, it's not summer. Anyway, that's enough. That's enough of tomfoolery. I mean, this is a great bike. It's a great fun bike. You can really have a good. It's actually serving its purpose wonderfully. It's keeping the Ducati nice and clean. That was my main reason for buying another bike. I didn't want to ride the Ducati throughout the winter and get it messy, you know. So yeah, it's doing that. It's a great fun bike. It's fast, it's fun. I don't have to worry about it too much really from keeping it clean standpoint. I think there's a little bit of rain, so I hope that's not getting on my camera. So yeah, what would I buy next? What if I did sell this? What do you think I should get next? For like, I don't know, three grandish, say around that, three and a half maybe. Maybe I could stretch it to that much. I think I would get about 3.5 back on this. So maybe something around that kind of number, £3,500 in the UK. What kind of bike should I get? Bikes I have been looking at. I've been looking at Fireblades because I do love a Fireblade. I've been looking at GSXRs, Gixxer things because they're a bit of fun. What else? Sports bikes. I mean, I've looked at everything. I mean, even Hayabusas. I love Hayabusa. I had a Hayabusa. The ZX-12R, because I love the ZX-12R. I've had 2 or 3, but it's a bit old, I know. I could even stretch, possibly even to a ZZR 1400, but it's they're a bit. I don't want anything that's just nuts top end, you know. When I say that, you know, there's no point in me buying a 200 mile an hour bike to ride on these types of roads. 1000cc sports bike, I think, is enough. So I'm kind of ruling out the idea of a Hayabusa, 1400 or things like that, you know, Kawasaki, ZZR. So yeah, I don't know. I'm really all ears. Do I buy another Supermoto? Do I buy a proper legit Supermoto for about 3 grandish? Like, they are about. Hold on a sec. Let me check my camera. Yeah, it's a bit wet. Yeah, so you know, Supermotos are about for that kind of money. Do I get something a bit more fun than the KTM, the 950? Sorry. Oh, front end tucky slightly. Yeah, these roads are slippery. So yeah, let me know, Pete. What do you think? Is Grizz mad for getting rid of the KTM? Should he get rid of it? Should I just focus all my money on building the BMW Scrambler and getting the Ducati 916 sorted and forget another bike? You know, I mean, a big part of me is thinking to do that as well, really. But I'm not going to be able to use, well, I could use Taffy's, but I feel bad for that. I don't want to use what's left of the winter. It could go on for some time, couldn't it? You know what our winters are like. What are we now? We're January, February, March, April, 3 or 4 months yet before the weather starts getting better. I'm not worried about using another cheap bike to use in bad weather, but I don't want to use the Ducati in this bad weather until it kind of gets proper spring, summerish, you know. I'm going to do my utmost to not use the 916, not be a dick and ride it when jobs need doing, like I was in my previous video. Going out with a leaky master cylinder or slave cylinder was a really bad idea, but I've cleaned it, it's together. My apologies to all of you that are absolutely horrified by me doing such a thing, but Grizz does do some stupid things. Because I'm a very much like I guess at times, you know, I go through times of not being able to do anything because I feel too tired, and all I can do is kind of rest, which I tend to spend actually editing and not resting. And then the time when I feel like I have got a bit of energy, I'm like, yeah, do it man, just bloody do it. Don't worry about stuff like that. Don't worry that your slave cylinder is leaking. Don't worry that the corners here are slippy as hell. Just get on and do it. So yeah, I guess that's where a lot of that behaviour comes from. I know it's irresponsible. Please, people, if you ride your bikes, please make sure they're together. Maintenance first at all costs, and then, you know, fun second. Don't do what Grizz does. Alright, I've been on 2 wheels since I was 16, 17, and I'm now 50. I guess I've had a lot of years on 2 wheels, but I'm still not too old to make stupid mistakes, and I still do. So yeah, it is. That's what I put it down to. Grizz making mistakes and doing silly things. Anyway, so answers on a postcard, peeps. Let me know what you think I should do next. Should I get rid of the KTM? Should I keep it? Should I buy something else? Should I sell it and just focus on getting the BMW Scrambler finished and the 916 together, which, to be fair, I could probably do anyway. So I'm still inclined to buy just like a cheap $3,000, maybe less. I even saw the other day, what was it, what year, like a 1995 or 94, yeah, it was a 1994 Fireblade in black, I think. Oh, nice. Jumping over the lane there, matey, in front of me. Yeah, in black. It was a 1994 Fireblade. It was a Fox Eye version, and it looked foxy. It had like 30-odd thousand miles, which is not a lot on that type of bike. They will do a lot of miles. How much was it? £1,750. You know, I could buy something like that, do the other bits and pieces I need to do, have a second bike, but the only downside to it is that I would be using it in the winter, and Fireblades don't weather the winter very well. So yeah, what to do, I don't know. People stopped taking pictures of goats. Now they've got me in shot. Oh, goatee, here, goat. No, he's not coming. These people think I'm nuts up here, look. Anyway, let's get a picture. Another picture for the medias. God, the bike's getting dirty. Chris is going to have to wash it. Oh no, I didn't want to wash my flipping bike. Flipping heck. Right, that is enough photos. It's time to move along. Time to get home. Pick up Taffy from work. And get the usual going. You know it is, guys. You know it is. Anyway, I hope mobilizer. Mobilizer was done. What a plonker. Just got to put it in neutral. I don't know why with this bike. Whoop, let's go. Yeah. So, home time. So anyway, let me know what you think, peeps. Let me know what Grizz should do next. Because I'm not sure. It could take quite a time, to be fair, to actually sell this bike. They're not really, I guess, the most popular of bikes. So it might take a while to sell it even. We'll see. We will see. But I'm thinking it has to go. Because I don't really want to fork out for another year's insurance on this. I'd rather put out another year's insurance on something else, or not at all, you know. And cancelling the policy is never cool either. Let's let this car go that sat up my ass. It's an Audi. Surprise, surprise. Let's let the pushy Audi go. Go on, pushy Audi. Look at this, it's like lovely. It's all been lovely resurfaced. Lovely jubbly. Anyway, let's go. Poppity bang bang, off we go. Thanks for watching, everyone. Catch you on the next one. Sorry if my camera angles are rubbish again. Love you loads. Bye bye, bye bye, bye.